Now viewers, in the latest, let's also shift our focus to other developments. Mother Dairy has raised milk prices by up to 2 rupees per litre. That is effective from today. According to the statement that has been issued, the price revision which has been made necessary. It has been said that due to the significant rise in the procurement cost, which have increased by 4 to 5 rupees per litre in the recent months, the rise in the procurement prices is mainly attributed to the early onset of summer and heat wave conditions, the officials have added while making this statement public. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast to share more details. Arzu, now this is in fact going to be hitting the pockets of the common man, as the prices of the milk at Mother Dairy is hiked by 2 rupees per litre effective from today. Milk is going to be costlier as Mother Dairy has cited heat wave conditions due to the procurement behind this. Now, share more details as to what exactly the milk manufacturing company has said.
Well, Mother Dairy has hiked milk prices by up to 2 rupees per litre, and this will be effective from today. Also, a company official said on Tuesday that the new prices will be applied from April 30, and in all the areas where Mother Dairy sells its products. And also there has been a statement that is being given that this price revision has been necessitated to address the significant increase in the procurement costs, which have gone up to by rupees 4 to 5 per litre, over the past few months. And this is the official statement which the Mother Dairy has said. And also Mother Dairy sells around 35 lakh litre of milk every day in the Delhi NCR region through its own booth, legal shop and the online platform. So this will be going to hit up the pockets of the common men, as the milk is something that is being used on a daily basis. And also the company said that we remain committed to ensuring the consistent availability of the quality of milk to consumers while supporting the livelihood of our farmers. Yes, Imran.
Well, all right. In fact, Arzu, as it is being clearly said and seen that this revision has come due to the procurement cost. Mother Dairy has sold around 35 lakh litres of milk daily in the Delhi NCR regions through its own outlets in the market. Now, why exactly this has come? The raise has just come a month after the company has launched the Pro Milk venture is also a big question. What are the details that you're picking up on that front?
Well, definitely, there has been a lot of new things that the Mother Dairy has issued, the new products. But yes, this has come after as there has been a lot of heat wave and the procurement fee that has been increased. And it is also given, the reason that is being given that it was important to address the significant increase in the procurement cost, and which has gone up to 4 to 5 per litre over the past few years. And so that's become necessary for the company also to increase the price, because that will be going to affect the cost of the product. So yes, the decision has been taken by the Mother Dairy, and the new prices will be implemented from today itself, as today is the 30th April. And also the companies ensuring their customers that the quality of the milk will not be there will be a consistent availability of the quality milk to the consumers, and also the price hike is only a partial adjustment to
well, all right, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing these details and following up on that. Now viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Stay with us.